Ayun po, it's already maybe 3 o'clock, no? I asked merienda for my I asked coffee for a snack, but then for a drink, and but then my husband brought me ayun, coffee and cake here. Oh, ayan. Cake, coffee. Kasarap. I felt hungry. That's why I told him to get me some merienda. Yan po. Yan ang aking husband. Hi. 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 Say hi. Hi. Hi ka mo ah. Ayan. Always bring me coffee during breakfast and merienda. Okay. Ayan po. Kasarap naman po to. Let me see. Let me taste. Here. Ayan. This is some of the cake of his birthday yesterday. And of course, it's delicious. Mm-hmm. So rock. Then, coffee is life talaga. Sarap ng timpla ng kape. Some more cake. Some cake. Here. Another slice of cake. Here. Nako. 6 o'clock, I'll be attending a seminar. Kaya, kainan na naman. Tataba ako nito. Ayun. Napakasarap talaga. Kasarap ng timpla, ng coffee. After viewing some YouTube, YouTubes and Facebook and Messenger, nagutom. Sarap. Okay. Another coffee. Kasarap naman. Sige. 6 o'clock pa ako pupunta mamaya sa Casa Hardin. Pag-a-attend ako ng RTD ng Philippine Academy of Family Physician. I will attend because we have a lecturer coming from Manila. So, I will attend. Thank you. Bye for now.